Hobbiton, set in the beautiful rolling hill scenery of North Island, New Zealand. This is a pretty magical place, I have to say. I've been looking forward to this and it really did not disappoint. The tour was brilliant. We saw all around Hobbiton and the attention to detail is just phenomenal. But I have to say, the real experience was going in one of the Hobbit holes. The attention to detail inside the Hobbit holes just went off the scale. Really was fantastic. And you had plenty of time to explore all the nooks and crannies. When we came out of the Hobbit Hole, we went over to the Green Dragon. Here we both had a drink. And then we went for our second breakfast. We'd booked the Second Breakfast Banquet and it was brilliant. So we got an early tour around the set and then went for a full spread breakfast, which was lovely.